Santorini, one of the most beautiful islands in Greece, usually swarming with tourists, now a virtual ghost town. After several days of near constant earthquakes hitting the island, perched on the rim of an ancient volcano, residents are fleeing in droves. Since Saturday, hundreds of small and medium quakes shaking the island and its people's resolve.
Our Santorini is shaking every 10 minutes on average. A lot of earthquakes. There is concern.
In the past 2 days, at least 10 earthquakes above magnitude 4.5 have hit off the coast of Santorini, known for its stunning white and blue buildings.
There have been earthquakes all the time, every 5 minutes. It is continuous. They don't stop at all. The entire island is traumatized.
The quakes so far only strong enough to rattle houses, causing minor damage and some landfalls. But the bigger concern, worry that the quakes could set off an eruption from the volcano at the center of the island. Scientists say that's unlikely, but warn a large enough earthquake could trigger a destructive tsunami. That's what happened back in 1956, when a 7.7 magnitude quake struck Santorini, destroying hundreds of houses, causing a massive 20-foot tsunami and killing upwards of 50 people. The catastrophe devastated many on the island, plunging them into poverty. This time, the country says it's more prepared. The Prime Minister declaring a state of emergency on the island, but urging calm.
My job is to always err on the side of caution, and that is why we have mobilized, the state infrastructure in the eventuality of a bigger earthquake.
A response team is already on the island, with search and rescue dogs to find anyone potentially trapped under the rubble. Hotels and resorts asked to drain their pools so shaking water doesn't destabilize buildings. Schools ordered to shutter for the week for safety. More than 10,000 people have fled the island since Sunday, many boarding a ferry service headed for the mainland. But even with the unnerving, constant shaking, some residents say they're not going anywhere.
We will stay here. Why should we leave? If something happens, it happens. Oh well. We are locals. We were born here.
Preferring, like some have for thousands of years, to remain on this rugged but beautiful gem of the Aegean.
And NBC's Matt Bradley is joining me now. Matt, I was there just a few years ago, and even then they were saying, this volcano could go anytime. And it wasn't that long ago that it already blew once. Do scientists have any way to tell if we could see another volcanic eruption or if the big earthquake is coming?
Yeah, I mean, the scientists have been pretty clear on this. While there are fears, it's not, totally outside the realm of possibility that there could be some sort of volcanic eruption because of this. They've been pretty clear that this is seismic, this is tectonic. It's not about volcanoes, and so it's not going to, produce the sum of all fears, a massive volcanic eruption that could just cover Santorini, that beautiful island, in ash. That doesn't sound like that's going to happen, but it is a real worry, especially for the folks who live there. Tom?
It is a stunning, stunning place. You should go there, Matt, and just stand by, just in case, right? Put it on the NBC credit card. Say I told you you should go. Okay? All right.
I should.
All right, Matt Bradley, thanks very much.
I've made calls.
I'm sure you have, Matt Bradley. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.